Hello everyone, welcome. Th- it's your boy that AV Geek. Today we'll be looking at my screenshots from FlightRadar24. Don't mind, please. So this is today. I found a C-17, an Atlas Air767, which is super rare, and I found the bow. I found both of them. If you know what this is, I found this randomly. Found a NASA DC-8. I found an Asiana Airlines. I also found an Atlas Air. I found maybe the Qatar royal family traveling, and something. I think I found a plane stalling, and I don't know if this is rare. I don't know if it's rare as well. I found this. I also found this. This is also rare because it's maybe the only or one of the only Atlas Air's 747 passenger livery aircraft. Found a UPS A300, FedEx feeder, like these small ones, probably rare, and a private Dash 8, a C-17, and the other 767, another one, a Lockheed CP Aurora, the French government, an AN-30, and a C-5. I also have more. A C-17, an Air Machni, I think. And here's an image, but I don't think it's accurate to the real plane. I found this randomly. Also this, a ball, another ball, a plane, a US Air Force plane by the way, aerial refueling plane, Philippine National Police helicopters, Philippine Air Force, C-17, straddle tanker again, fighter jet, rivet joint. Don't mind that, please. I think this is a rare livery. A Lufthansa, a rare livery, I guess. A straddle tanker, a strike master, Northrop Talon, another one. I also found this, a lot. An Antonov, a rivet joint, C-17, and that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more uploads, and goodbye.